In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Logitech M650 with your iPad. So let's get started. So this mouse has two ways to connect to the iPad. Okay, if you open the small trap over here where the battery is, you'll have one of these USB dongle. It's not very practical since the iPad only has a USB Type-C port and this is USB Type-A. The good news is that the mouse is also compatible with Bluetooth. And in my opinion, if you're using it with an iPad, it's the better option. So first of all, you're gonna, make sure that there's a battery in the mouse and then turn on the mouse. Okay, switch the small switch over here until you see the color green. Next, you're gonna keep press this button over here. Keep it pressed until the light flashes very quickly, the way you're seeing on the display on your screen right now. Set the mouse aside, take your iPad, find the settings icon, keep press on it, and select Bluetooth. You should be in the Bluetooth menu on the right side of the screen, and where you see other devices, your Logitech mouse will appear. Tap on it and wait. Select pair, and as you see now, it's currently connected. So you can go ahead and exit and try to see if the mouse appears. In my case, right away, as you see, the mouse appears, and I can use it just like my finger, so I can click on an app to open it. Now, if you want to exit an app, you're gonna go with the mouse pointer cursor down below, and you're gonna see a white line appearing. Click on it, and you'll go back home. This is like a home button, that line that appears, instead of doing this with your finger. Now, there's a few settings you can change on your iPad. Let's go back into the settings. So I have opened the settings. If you go on the top over here and tap on search, you can type mouse. And then select the first option, mouse keys. Go down this menu on the right side. And you're gonna select pointer control. And here you're gonna have a few different settings you can change. So you can increase the contrast of the pointer. You see this, the thing that moves, that's the pointer. You can automatically hide the pointer when the mouse is not moving. So as you see, it disappeared, but when I move the mouse, it appears. If you want the pointer to always be on the screen, you can turn this off. You can change the color of the pointer size as well if you want a big one. And you can change over here the scrolling speed. So when you use the scroll wheel, do you want it to go super fast or slower? Once you're done using the mouse with the iPad, simply turn it off and it will disconnect itself. Next time you want to use it, turn it on and it will work again without you having to pair it. So I hope this was useful. Please take a moment and comment down below if it was. I'll put a link in the description towards my favorite mouses, and I'll see you in the next video.